librarian at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library, and today we are going to be making no hassle tassels. And then I'll be talking about some of the things you can use your tassels for. These are really easy to make. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is take your ball of yarn and find the end, and you're going to start wrapping it around your hand. So you want to make sure that you don't wrap it too tight because you'll get uncomfortable. But we're just going to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until we have a good amount of wraps around our hand. And the bigger the hand, the bigger your tassel will be. So if I had to guess, this is probably about 50 wraps. See it here? So once we've done that, we want to cut it, and we're going to slowly pull it off of our hand. So we have kind of this big loop of all of our yarn. With it still in our hands, we don't want to let go. We're going to cut a length of ribbon and put it through the center. So it's kind of like this. And then we're going to tie a knot and then make it really tight. And then we're going to do that one more time to hold the knot in place. Next, we're going to cut another length of ribbon. These can be about 6 to 8 inches. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of pinch the first quarter of your tassel. Here's our holder. You're going to take your new length of ribbon and wrap it around and tie a knot again. So you can see what I've got. So now we got this little ball. Now these are still loops down here, so this is where we need our scissors again. You're going to take your scissors and literally just go right down the center. Kind of fluff it out. Now at this point, I like to see, they're not going to be perfectly even down here. So I like to trim so everything is kind of right at the same level. Voila, we have a beautiful tassel. Now, what can you use your tassels for? So I've been making a bunch of these in different shades of blue, and I've also done a couple that are white, and I'm actually going to string them together with more yarn and make a little garland. But another thing I like to do is you can kind of use them as a form of gift wrap. So this is just a graphic novel we have in our collection, and I decided to wrap it for this video. So this is, in place of ribbon. If you didn't want to spend the money on like holiday ribbon, wrap your gift, and then instead of using the ribbon, you can use yarn and just attach a tassel, and it's something a little bit fun and different than your traditional holiday bow. Well, thank you for joining me while I made no hassle tassels. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I hope you have a great time making your tassels as well.